Hi guys, welcome to Roslil channel. Today we are going to do the revision for the chapter 1 arithmetic progressions. So first let us look into some basic formulas required to solve the problems. General term of an arithmetic progression that is a plus d, a plus 2d, so on up to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term of an arithmetic progression an, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term from last of an arithmetic progression that is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. Relation between any two terms of an arithmetic progression that is AP is equal to AQ plus P minus Q into D. Common difference of arithmetic progression D is equal to AP minus AQ divided by P minus 2. This formula you can apply when any two terms are given. One more formula for common difference of arithmetic progression D is equal to A2 minus A1 or D is equal to an minus a divided by n minus 1. Sum of first n positive integers. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sn is equal to n square. Sum of first n even natural numbers. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. 10th one, sum of first n terms of an AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There is one more formula when the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given. N by 2 into a plus an or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l when last term is given. In any progression Sn minus Sn minus 1 is equal to nth term of an arithmetic progression. If a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, then the arithmetic mean between A and C is given by this same A, this is the same C, is given by B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. Now I will solve some important questions from the first chapter. Some questions I will solve, some I will just give as a direct questions. If you get any doubts in those questions, put that in comment section. First question, they can give like which of the following is an AP. You have to check for the common difference. Then if the common difference between all the terms are equal, then you can say that this term is an arithmetic progression. Second question, if A, B, and C are in arithmetic progression, then B minus A by C minus B is. I'll write the answers. That is 0. The common difference between B minus A and C minus B will be equal to 1. When you cancel it out, the remaining number left out is 1. They are given us the options like 0, 1, minus 1. So the answer is 1. 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. You have to find the common difference of this AP. You have to find the common difference between the terms. I'll write the answer. I'll write the answer for the first question as well. The answer for the first question is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. The answer for second one is 1. So the answer for the third question is minus 1. 10, 7, 4. You have to find the 30th term. The 30th term of this arithmetic progression is minus 77. Fifth question, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2. You have to find the 11th term. The 11th term of this arithmetic progression is 22. Here in AP, an is given, that is 3 plus 4n. You have to find the value of A3. The value of A3 is 15. In AP, Sn is equal to 4n minus n square d's. You have to find the value of d. The value of d is minus 2. In an AP, S5 is equal to 30 and S4 is equal to 20. You have to find the value of A5. The value of A5 is 10. Ninth one, if A7 is equal to 6 in arithmetic progression of 13 terms, then S13 is. The value of S13 is 78. sum of first 50 odd natural numbers. Direct application of the formula. Instead of the value of n, you have to put 50. The answer is 5000. Now 11th question. Write the nth term of AP where first term is A and common difference is D. In AP, an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Find A4. These are some direct questions. When some difficult questions comes, I will solve those. Other than that, if you have doubt in any of these questions, put that in comment section. I will explain it. If minus 3 a comma 2 are the three consecutive terms of AP, find A. Here the answer of this is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the direct formula. You have to find a4 here. The value of a4 is 11. Here the value of a is minus 1 by 2. We go to the 14th question. Root 2, root 8, root 18. You have to write the next term of this arithmetic progression. Next term is root 32. This is a general question. You have to write who is the famous mathematician who calculates sum of first n natural numbers. These kind of questions you can exploit when the paper is very tough. So the answer of this is Gauss. Just remember this question. If A, B and C are in arithmetic progression, you have to find C minus B minus B minus A. The answer is obviously 0 because the common difference is same. When you subtract both the common differences, the answer is 0. Now we'll move to the 2-mark questions. Now we'll move on to the 2-mark questions. 17th question. In arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12, you have to find the 10th term. We'll solve this question. Here a is given, that is 2. Common difference is a2 minus 7, that is 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. You have to find 10th term. We know the nth term of an arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute this, that is 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. The answer is 47. So on the 18th question, 2, 21, 18, 15, find the 35th term. Same like previous question you have to solve. 19th question, 3, 8, 13, find 10th term. 20th question, in an AP 10, 7, 4, find 30th term. 21st question, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2, find 11th term. Now we'll solve the 22nd question. 10, 7, 4, so on up to minus 62. You have to find the 11th term from the last. Observe the question carefully. They are not asked to find the 11th term. You have to find the 11th term from the last. From here you have to find the 11th term. So we know the difference, common difference, that is 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, and the last term is minus 62. They are given the question. So nth term of an arithmetic progression from last is L minus n minus 1 into D. 11th term from the last is minus 62 minus 11 minus 1 into minus 3. L is minus 62, n is 11th term, minus 1 into common difference is minus 3. You will get the answer, that is minus 32. So on the 23rd question, 3, 8, 13, so on up to 253. Find 20th term from the last. 24th, 21, 18, 15, so on up to minus 81. Find 28th term. 25th one. Which term of the arithmetic progression (21, 18, 15) is minus 81? We'll solve this. Here a is given, that is 21. Difference is 18 minus 21, that is minus 3. N is given minus 81. You have to find the value of n. We know the formula of n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute. Minus 81 is equal to 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. When you solve this, you will get the value of n, that is 35. So the 35th term of the AP is minus 81. So on the question will follow. 26th one. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13 is 78? AP 7, 13, 19 is 205. Same like 25th question you have to solve. (28th question) we'll solve this. Find the sum of the arithmetic progression 8, 3, minus 2, so on up to 22 terms. Here a is given, that is 8. Common difference we know, that is 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. We have to find S22. S22, we know the formula of Sn, that is a n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Various formulas are there. Whenever the values are given, you have to identify what values, which formula you can apply, then you apply. So S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. You will get the value of S22, that is minus 979. Same question. Find sum of AP 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. Now we'll move into the 3-mark questions. In AP, if first term is 38 and 16th term is 73, find A31. A1 is given, that is 38. A16 is 73. So we know the formula to find the common difference, that is AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. Here it becomes A16 minus A1 divided by 16 minus 1. You'll get the common difference, that is 7 by 3. Substitute the value of A16 as 73, A minus 38. You'll get 7 by 3. Apply that and find the value of A31. A31 is equal to A1 plus A plus N minus 1 into D. 31 minus 1 is 30D. It becomes 38 plus 30 into 7 by 3, that is equal to 108. 32nd question. A3 is 12, A50 is equal to 106. Find A29. 33rd. A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. Find A5. 34th question we will solve. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. We know the positive integers divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18, so on up to 240. 6 40s are 240. You have to find the sum. We know the sum of first n natural numbers is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. You have to find the value of, you take the common outside from 6, it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on up to 40. You keep 6 as it is. This becomes n into n plus 1, that is 41, divided by 2. When you solve this, you will get the value of Sn, that is 4920. So the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is 4920. So on the 35th question, sum of first, you have to find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Just take 8 common, then you know the formula of n into n plus 1 by 2. Apply that, you will get. Now we will move to the 36th question. Now we will move into the 36th question. Find the sum of multiples of 7 between 100 and 200. We know the sum of we know the multiples of 7 between 100 and 200, that is 105, 112, so on up to 196, that is between 200. We have to find the sum. Take 7 common, you will get 15 plus 16 plus 17, so on up to plus 28. We know the sum of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. Apply that. 7 into 28 into 28 plus 1, that is 29 by 2. You will get the value of 2107. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Take 7 common. 37th question. Same kind of question. Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. 38th. Sum of the terms from the 10th term to 20th term of AP 3, 7, 11, 15. 39th question. If 10 times the 10th term of AP is equal to 15 times the 15th term. Find A25. Here it is given in the question 10 times of 10th term is equal to 15 times the 15th term. Substitute the formula. 10 into a plus n minus 1, n is 10, 10 minus 1 into d is equal to 15 into a plus 15 minus 1 into d. We will get 10a minus 15a is equal to 210d minus 90d. We will get the value of a, that is minus 24d. Consider that as the first equation. A25 we know, that is a plus 24d. Value of a is minus 24d plus 24d, that is equal to 0. 40th question. 8th term of AP is 0. Prove 38th term is triple of its 18th term. Here A8 is given as 0. We know A18 is equal to A plus A8 plus 10d. We know A8 is equal to 0 plus 10d. So A18 is equal to 10d. This is by the formula A8 plus 10d. This is by the formula AP is equal to AQ plus P minus Q into D. Now A38 is equal to A18 plus 20d by the same formula which I have written above. We know A18 is 10d plus 20d, that is equal to 30d. This is 3 into 10d. 30d you can write as 3 into 10d. 10d is nothing but A18. 3 into A18. So they are asked to prove A38 is equal to triple of 3 times of A18. We have proved that. Now we will move into the 41st question. 41st question. If Sn, that is the sum of n terms of AP, is given by Sn is equal to 3n square minus 4n, you have to find 25th term. We know that as 25 becomes 3 into 25 square minus 4 into 25. Instead of n, substitute the value of 25. We got the S25 value as 1775. Consider it as first equation. We know S24, that is equal to 3 into 24 square minus 4 into 24. Instead of n value, substitute it as 24, that is 1632. That is the second equation. We know S25 minus S24 is equal to A25. That is by the formula Sn minus Sn minus 1 is equal to An. So we'll get the value of A25, that is 1775 minus 1632, that is 143. Now we'll solve the 4 mark questions. Second question is, the 7th term of AP is 4 times second term and 12th term exceeds thrice the 4th term by 2. Find the progression. Third question. These are 4 mark questions. 4 numbers are in AP. Sum of extremes is 10 and product of means is 24. Find the numbers. 44th, sum of 4th and 8th term is 24 and sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find the sum of first 3 terms of AP. 45th question, sum of 3 positive integers in AP is 24 and its product is 480. Find those numbers. 46th question, find 3 numbers in AP. Sum is given, that is 24, and sum of their squares is 224. 47th question, find the sum of first 10 terms of AP whose 12th term is minus 13 and sum of first 4 terms is 24. 48th question, divide 32 in 4 parts such that they are in AP and ratio of product of means is 7:15. Find the numbers. Now to solve this kind of questions, when 3 terms are in AP or when 4 terms are in AP, which is the terms you have to take to make it solve it easier, I'll write that. So when they ask to find when 3 terms are in AP, take 3 terms as A minus D, 1 term is A, then 1 term is A plus D. When you add this will cancel out, so it will be easier for you to solve when this is given for 3 terms. When they asked about 4 terms, you take it as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D. Take odd numbers, 1, 3, so on. When it is like 6 terms, you take A minus 5D, A plus 5D. Okay, now we'll move into the 5 mark questions. 49th question, show that sum of first n even natural numbers is equal to 1 plus 1 by n times the sum of first n odd natural numbers. We'll solve this question. We'll take S1 denotes the first n even natural numbers. That is S1 is nothing but 2 plus 4 plus 6 we do not know the terms, that is up to n terms. Here a is 2, d is 2, n is n. So S1 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values. You will get S1 is equal to n into n plus 1. Consider it as the first equation. We will consider S2 as sum of first n odd natural numbers. S2 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 so on up to n terms. So here a is 1, d is 2, n is n. Substitute the same formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You will get the value of S2, that is n square. Consider it as the second equation. Now S1 by S2, that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by n square. Now cancel this n, you will get n plus 1 divided by n. Now n by n plus 1 by n. So S1 by S2, you will get the value, that is 1 plus 1 by n. Bring s to this side, it will become S1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by n into S2. That itself they are asked to prove. We will move on to the 50th question. Find the sum of all natural numbers less than 1000 which are either divisible by 2 nor by 5. This is which are neither divisible by 2 nor by 5. We'll look into the last question of this. If the ratio of sum of first m terms and first n terms of AP is m square is to n square, prove that ratio of its mth and nth term is (2m minus 1 into 2n minus 1), 2m minus 1 into 2n minus 1. So this is a revision of chapter 1. You try to solve all the questions which are left incomplete. If you get any doubts or if you are stuck somewhere, put that in comment section. I'll reply. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. All the best for your exams.